Hello and welcome to Alltricks. Today we will see how we can set up WhatsApp on two different phones or set up a WhatsApp companion device. We have two phones here. One is device 1 Infinix GT20 Pro. The other one is device 2, that is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. On the first device GT20 Pro, we will go to top right three dots, click on that and tap on link devices, then tap on link a device. You will see a scanner. This will be used to scan a QR code. Now we'll go to Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, this device 2. Click on WhatsApp, click on agree, and at top right corner again three dots, click on link a companion device. Click there, you will see a QR code here. Now this QR code you have to scan with the first device. So I am back to the first device and I will be scanning the QR code. Here I have done scanning. You can see it says Android 13 and the device is shown. Now I will go to the top three dots and show you the profile picture under settings. You can see that picture. Now the Redmi Note 10, you can see it's initializing. It takes some time, and if you see now, we see it there. Now here we don't have much option, just three dots, then go to settings. You will see same file picture we have. I have successfully set up WhatsApp on two devices. If you like our video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.